So let's talk about a couple of restrictions and the limits you will have on your eBay account once you are just starting out. So number one restriction is going to be how many items you can sell within 30 days. That's number one. Number two restriction is going to be that how much they worth in total. So it also depends on the worth of the item as well. The third limit is going to be it's going to take little bit of time before the money will show up in your bank. eBay just want to make sure that customer will receive the item once they will leave a positive feedback. Not necessarily once they will leave a feedback the money will come quicker, but normally it will come anyway if they will not dispute and all that kind of stuff as well. So first thing you want to see, you can actually see the limits inside the seller central. Once you go inside the eBay, for example, on this account I can list 5,000 items within a month. You can see on the top right here, and also those items should be this is 50,000 per month, that one right here. So those items should worth 50,000 per month as well. These are my monthly limit. On your new account that might be 1,000 item that you will be able to list, and on the top of that you will be able to probably sell the item worth £10,000 a month as well. That's normally the way the business accounts start, I think, which is more than enough. Underneath you can see the option request to list more right here as well. If you click on this one just as a brand new account, they will not increase your limit. So first you will have to get on with start selling, and once the customer will start receiving the item, you think the limit is less, you can just simply click on request to list more and they will increase the limit. The automatic system will increase the limit. But if that doesn't work, you can call eBay and you can ask them that you want to list more item, and then they will increase the limit for that as well. When the account will be rolling in eBay managed payment, I will explain each and everything once you receive a payment further down when I explain the fee, all that kind of stuff as well. But you don't have to worry about that. In the beginning it take about 3-4 days the payment will come into your account, but once the account will be rolling, you will receive your payment next day. So for example, all the sale that you will do on Monday, the payment will be in your account on Wednesday. So it only take 1 working days for them to process the payment, and that is just the need to make sure for the security purposes on the new account they limit these kind of things as well. So nothing really to worry about here, and just wanted to explain that.